Hi, this is Joe from NH Oil again. Today we're going to answer the question, what's the difference between NH Clear and NH Back in Black? Stay tuned. So we're asked this question quite often. What's the difference between the NH Clear and the NH Back in Black? Really the only difference is a carbon tint. We designed this so that when you want to protect your vehicle and you have surface rust, you want to improve the appearance of that, that will do the job. And that dramatically changes the surface while protecting it. That's the best of both worlds. On a vehicle that's fairly new and it doesn't have a whole lot of rust, the clear is the only thing you're going to need because you're looking for protection. This is aesthetics. This works great on frames such as pickup trucks where you can see the vehicle. The bottom of a undercarriage of a car where it's very low, you're not going to see it. It's your choice, but again, really the only difference is a carbon tint. Exact same formula. A couple of other benefits that were unplanned was that when the oil starts to wear off with the black, it's a lot more detectable. Another thing is we have a lot of commercial customers that drive and they need to pull into weight stations. They tell us that their vehicles, even though they're structurally sound, sometimes get scrutinized quite a bit more when it's pretty crusty under there. They magically move through much faster. So those are some byproducts to apply in our NH Back in Black.